Bats are the hosts of many deadly viral diseases such as Nipah, Ebola, SARS-CoV, MERS, etc. The question is, what makes bats good hosts for all these dangerous viruses? The answer is the strong immune system. It doesn't make any sense, right? But a study by some researchers found that the fact bats being good viral hosts has something to do with their immune system. It seems that the immune system of bats is very good at protecting their bodies from harmful foreign materials such as viruses. Let's go a little deeper for more clarity. When a bat's immune system identifies a foreign material in the body, it triggers the release of a protein called interferon that initiates an immune response against the foreign material. Generally, many viruses have the knack of making the immune system to go into an uncontrollable state once they enter the body. Although this is the case with us humans and many animals, bats are the exception to this because of their unique ability to control their immune responses and to stop them from becoming uncontrollable. This unique feature of the bats can be related to their ability to fly, which requires very high metabolism. And this high metabolism releases free radicals, which also trigger some aggressive immune responses, which takes some effort to bring back into control. It is due to this highly metabolic flight activity bats have developed this kind of evolutionary ability, which is to keep their immune responses in check. It is understandable that all of this stuff is good for bats, but for viruses in its body, it is a sign of development because they never seem to give up and continue to make developments until they become strong enough to beat the robust defense system of bats. So, if any human comes into contact with such type of changed or developed or evolved virus or whatever we call it, either directly or indirectly, could face some serious havoc. And when I say directly, I meant through direct contact with infected bats. Indirectly means through intermediate hosts such as domestic or wild animals that have been contaminated by blood, saliva, urine, or feces of bats, which is more often the case. As I mentioned earlier, bats facilitate the development of viruses, which makes the situation more tricky for us. So, guys, this may sound scary, but try to note that health and hygiene are more important whatsoever. And make sure you maintain proper health and hygiene and hopefully prevent all these kinds of dangers.